Guys, in this video I'll show you how to make your Twitter X account private. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your Play or App Store and search for Twitter, and make sure your Twitter app is up to date. If it is up to date, it should say open. So then go ahead, open your app. So now once your Twitter app is open, make sure you're logged in, and once you're logged in, click onto your profile and then scroll down a little bit, click on settings and support, click on settings and privacy, wait for that page to load, and then on this page click on privacy and safety. Then you'll come to this page and then click on audience and tagging. So go ahead and toggle that on, and what that means, only your current followers and people in the future will be able to see your posts. So anyone who isn't your follower won't be able to see your future posts. Now let's say, for example, if you've got a follower who you want to protect your tweets from, what you need to do is head back to your profile page, click on into your profile, and then click on your followers. And then here, just remove that person who you don't want to be able to see your future posts. That's it, guys. That's how you make your Twitter X account private. So thanks for watching to the end of this video. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.